Hey everybody, welcome back. Quick little video here, just to kind of give you an update on where things are at with the Firebird. I've been working on, obviously, the engine. The long block is together. So to get that in, I wanted to do a little spritzing in the engine bay here and get it all painted up. Well, you know how that goes. You start prepping for paint and then, oh look, there was a tiny little hairline crack right here in the strut tower. So that was something I needed to weld up, and then, well, I'm going to get the welder out. I might as well, maybe weld up some of these seams that, everything's spot welded from the factory, obviously, but they have all these open gaps all the way around the engine bay, and I just wanted to weld some of that up, strengthen things up a little bit, hopefully. And then also, I'm like, we need to get rid of some weight, and so I got rid of some weight. I cut off some brackets, and I'm like, let's get rid of the hood hinges and we can put hood pins on the back. So I got rid of the hood hinges. And then I made these little brackets up to put the hood pins on. And you can see that size-wise, pretty massive difference there. I mean, these are a good, I'd say 5 pounds easy per side. So actually, let's find out real quick. I got the scale sitting here. Oh, let's see, turn that bugger on. Turn that bugger on, there we go. Okay. Okay, I was way off. 3 pounds. But that's, so 6 pounds total side to side, combined. Plus all these little brackets. I mean, we probably pulled 7 pounds out of the car, plus these. So yeah, probably 6 pounds off the front end with just those brackets and the hood hinges. So yeah, just trying to get things cleaned up, and still a little bit of grinding to do, cleaning up some of the welds and stuff. Filled a bunch of little holes, clean those up. And then we'll get this thing painted inside the engine bay, and then the engine can go in. And then things are going to start getting exciting. We got a session lined up with a tuner. We have a track day coming up before the first race, so we can get this thing kind of shook down and make sure there's no issues, make sure it's running right. And I'm really excited for that. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to get real fun here, and thanks for tuning in.